In the rendering section, specify layout tool palette, you can find also automatic material assignment. This command permits you to change the materials by layer. When you run it, you can select the layer by layer name or description. Supposing if I want to change the wall tiles, we can see 3D wall tiles. And in this case, we can select another material. And if you open the material list, you can find divide by group. You can find metal, size stone, textures, tiles, wall, wood. Under tiles, we have, for example, white tile with a blue stripe, and selecting the material, automatically the software assigns the material. You can do it also if you want to change the floor. Just with the gray tiles or beige, as you prefer. And one time you confirm, the software applies the new material. We need to restart the rendering in order to see the changes. To print your render, I always remind you that you need to enter inside the property of your viewport, and in shade plot, instead of realistic, for example, as we said before, we need to choose render it. In this case, when we'll create a preview, it also creates a preview with the rendering. If you want to run again the rendering inside, you just need to run automatic render just to see the new material applied inside your viewport. So you need to enter inside and run again the automatic render. Otherwise, you can also use all the other AutoCAD commands. You have a command that permits also to run rendering using AutoCAD standard rendering tool. And it opens, and you can see there the end result. You can see that the tiles at wall have blue stripe instead of our previous rendering. And now it recreates, and you can see also that the floor is changing because we applied the beige floor instead of the previous one. So you can compare the two different pictures. Just changing the material with automatic material assignment.